Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original back with another one for y'all, man. Now check this out today on my YouTube channel. We're going over Distrokid. Why Distrokid is the best music distribution service you can go with when you want to upload your music to Apple Music, Spotify, Tidal, Instagram Music, Facebook Music, TikTok, Amazon Music, all of the stores you really need to be on in 2020. Distrokid will provide that. And in this video, we're about to go over the main benefits to Distrokid. Why I recommend, anybody new, any new artist, anybody thinking about uploading a song to Apple Music or Spotify or Instagram, anything, to go with Distrokid in this video. Let's get into it now. Distrokid, just to give you all the benefits up front. Distrokid is $20 per year for a single artist. You can also create label accounts, and manage multiple different artists. But Distrokid is $20 per year for a single artist. And with that $20, you're able to keep 100% of your rights. No cuts, no nothing. It's 100% of your rights from every single streaming source you get. Able to upload unlimited songs, you know what I'm saying? And Distrokid is a preferred customer for Apple Music and Spotify. So your music is uploaded the fastest through Distrokid. Out of all of the different music distribution companies I've tried, Distrokid is the fastest, man. It's literally been times where I made a song at 9 in the morning, uploaded it, around 12 o'clock, and it's been on Apple Music at midnight. I literally did a test on my channel. You can go check out the video. But Distrokid, has different perks like that. I really like Distrokid a lot because the analytics, they track all of your Spotify analytics. They push you to, connect to your Spotify for artists, which I recommend everybody doing it. If you are an artist, you should connect to Apple Music for artists and Spotify for artists to get a deeper understanding of where your traffic and where your fan base is at, other than relying on the digital music streaming services. But one thing I do like about Distrokid is that they provide analytics for Apple Music. They provide analytics for Spotify, and you keep 100% of your rights. Now, just based from my experience, the payments always seem to come around the end of the month, the first of the next month, around that week period, they normally load into your account, right? And from there, I believe the minimum threshold you could upload, you could withdraw as long as you have $1 or $2 in your account, you could withdraw, and, they have multiple different ways you could withdraw, like through a bank, PayPal, it's many different ways you could withdraw your money on Distrokid. So it's real convenient, for people. When you compare Distrokid to other platforms, just to give y'all some perspective, or for example, like a TuneCore. Now, TuneCore, you allowed to keep 100% of your rights, right? On TuneCore, you can keep 100% of your rights, but every release is like $50, you know what I'm saying? Or it's like $30 at first, and then $50 every year after that. So, you have to pay every year, for your release. You have to pay for every release. And I believe you have to upload your music, 30 days in advance. You can upload it quicker, but it won't be like a global sync on the music. Like it won't come out in all the stores at the same time. It might be on Apple Music first, and then 3 days later, it appear on Spotify 3 days later, but you also got to plan out, you got to pay for every release on TuneCore, and TuneCore does not have Apple Music analytics. They only have Spotify analytics, but TuneCore is another service that pushes you to, go out and get Apple's, official analytics system and go get Spotify's official analytics system. So, other than that, those are really the two main distribution platforms you want to look at. When you're deciding on what platform you want to choose, you want to go with either Distrokid or TuneCore. If you don't care about buying every single album, the one thing that makes TuneCore stand out is that they have a publishing administration. So you can get your songs registered, and every time they play on radio, and you get all of your royalties, because it's the streaming royalties. Like basically for every stream you get, it's like another royalty you automatically create, which is called this mechanical royalty. And you basically, so for every stream you make, you get another, you automatically get this royalty You know that, and that gets collected by the publishing companies like BMI and ASCAP. You know, it gets collected by them. And what TuneCore does, it allows you to publish or buy a publishing agreement with them. You know, I think it's like you get like 85% of that, but you can go and sign up directly with these publishing administration services yourself and not get a cut, you know, because TuneCore takes a cut. So, you know what I'm saying? It's really up to you. But I recommend what this video is about. I recommend Distrokid. Distrokid is the easiest, it's the simplest. A lot of different, you know, music distribution service. You have to convert your audio files to WAV files, and you know they don't allow MP3s. The one thing about Distrokid is they allow MP3s. So if you just had MP3s and you not technical, like, man, how I convert my song to, you know what I'm saying? How do I convert my MP3 to a WAV file? If you don't know how to do that, like Distrokid just allow you to upload directly to it. You know, it allow you to upload your MP3 directly, you know, instead of, you know, trying to get a WAV file. That's something that you run into a lot. So, you know, it's a lot I like about Distrokid, you know, and not being able to upload as many times as you want. Definitely when you a creative person, profit, your return on investment. Like some distribution companies, you have to pay not $20. Well, Distrokid is $20 per year, but some distribution companies you have to pay $20 per month. You know what I'm saying? $14.99 per month just to, you know, have a service working for you. And, you know, and then other services are good, but then they take a percentage. You know, then some services it's like, you know, they good, but then you gotta wait to upload, and then, you know, it's a lot. So, or they take a percentage out your money. So you gotta just really, you know, look for yourself. If you don't believe Distrokid is the best music service, like I said, try everything, man. Try everything. You independent. You know what I'm saying? If you just got out your label deal, you know, go with Distrokid. I'm telling you, go with Distrokid. But if you don't care about buying, you know, if you don't care about buying every single album, if you like, man, I just got this one album, you know what I'm saying? I just got this one album I want to release, you know, and I don't plan on releasing nothing else, you know, but I just want all of my money collected. I want my YouTube collected, my motherfucking mechanical rights collected. Then go to TuneCore. You know what I'm saying? You just got that one album. It's just one album, you know, that you just want to release. You want it to be right, secure, bam, paid for, bam. You know what I'm saying? And like, say if you miss your renewal with TuneCore, if you miss your renewal, it'll take, if you got money in your account coming out, you know, it'll just deduct it from your account. So TuneCore cool like that. But yeah, if you just got one album, you don't want to release no other music, you not, go with TuneCore. But if you a person that like to release music, and the music you trying to drop, you know, damn near 5 albums this year, you know, you want to drop singles, you want everything to be 100% right, you know what I'm saying? I recommend going with Distrokid. Distrokid is the best. And also, Distrokid has a referral program, man. So you can refer your friends, like you could refer people, and you get $5 for every time somebody sign up. So, you know what I'm saying? No other music distribution company has that. I don't think no other distribution company has that. And you know, Distrokid also, I forgot to mention this, Distrokid help you get on playlists more. Like I was on Distrokid, I had, you know, I was getting on Spotify playlists, I was on over 1,000 user generated playlists, man. It was just crazy with Distrokid. But I really mess with Distrokid a lot, you know. All new artists or older artists, you know, anybody that's looking up music distribution services, go with Distrokid just to, you know, so you don't have to, you know, think about it as much. Only downside, you know, they don't have a set pay date, but they do pay you. They do pay you. And when that money come, oh, it can be sent out, released. You know, they send you about 3 confirmation emails during the whole process. So, you know what I'm saying? Distrokid is thorough. Distrokid is real thorough. And I recommend that to anybody out there that's thinking about uploading music on Apple Music, Spotify, TikTok, Instagram Music. Distrokid is the best music distribution service. Remember that when you're out there, you know, in the wild, wild web looking up music distribution services. So It's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like. Make sure you comment. Make sure you subscribe. Stay healthy. I'm out. Peace.